Hi, this is video 126, and if you're just joining, this is the third series in the Startup Conversation series. That is a mini series within this series of 365 days of video. In the first video, we talked about the difference between the value proposition and a unique selling point. In the second, we talked about the difference between features and benefits. And in this third video, I will be delving into something that I consider very interesting but often overlooked. And that is stop losing customers because of your onboarding or login process. If your login process is getting to 5 steps, best believe it that your customers are going to be tired by the time they get to the fourth step. And that will depend on how important, relevant your app or website, web service, web application, mobile application, whatever format you're using to deliver your product or service. It will depend on also your customers. Now, if you have very front facing, easy customers, like it's a B2C app, it's for creators, it's for anyone to use that service. Don't make it too difficult. Make it very easy for people to onboard, for people to sign up to your product. Now, if you are operating in the financial technology space, this might not be advice for you, so you can just close your ears and move away. But you should listen a bit because the CEO of Stripe, Patrick Collision, talks about how beauty and craft affects your products and your entire startup. So something that is important to note is that why there might be reasons why apps in like fintech and other ERP enterprise B2B spaces might have like a very long onboarding process and everything. It might also be part of what is used for customer retention. So it's easy for you to, so it's difficult rather if you want to consider like switching costs, it will be hard for you to go to another customer. But if you have a B2C product, there's no reason why your onboarding process or your sign up process should be extremely long or difficult. And if you want to understand where your customers find challenges or where your customers drop off in your process, whatever process it is in your startup now, you should try the tool Hotjar. Hotjar has something like what I call it an internal webcam or something. I don't even know what system is behind it, but something in it helps you track what customers are doing on your web platform. I know this works for web application. I do not know if it works for mobile application. So you want to use tools like that so that if there is a particular place where customers get to and then they drop off and then get to and then they drop off, you want to check that. You want to optimize that process because in 2025, UI and UX is very important.